What does it mean to live with spirit? Is it about the grand gestures or the small everyday moments that make up our lives? It's about approaching each day with a sense of purpose and joy, waking up with a smile, stretching as the sun rises, and embracing a joyful morning routine. It's about finding meaning in the ordinary and extraordinary moments alike, savoring a cup of morning coffee, sharing laughter with family, and appreciating the beauty of a sunset. A spirited life is about embracing creativity, pursuing passions, and never shying away from challenges. Whether it's an artist at work, a hiker conquering a mountain, or someone overcoming a personal obstacle, it's about finding beauty in imperfections and approaching life as an adventure. From the intricate details of a handmade object to the thrill of exploring a new city or the serenity of nature. Welcome back to Inspirational Monday, where we bring you stories to brighten your week and spark your motivation. One individual who embodies this spirit is Van Neistat. His life is a vivid tapestry of creativity, resilience, and relentless pursuit of his passions. A filmmaker, entrepreneur, and creative force, Van's journey is a testament to the power of living with intention and embracing the unknown. His work behind the camera, his entrepreneurial ventures, and his creative projects all reflect his spirited approach to life. From his unconventional upbringing to his rise as a YouTube sensation, Van's story is an inspiration to anyone seeking a more fulfilling and spirited life. His journey, captured through photos and videos, showcases the essence of living with spirit and the impact it can have on one's life and the lives of others. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting stories. Van's story begins far from the bustling streets of New York City, in the quiet landscapes of rural Maine. It was here, amidst the serene and picturesque surroundings, that Van's character was shaped. Raised in a non-traditional environment, he developed a strong work ethic and a knack for resourcefulness at a young age. The chores and responsibilities he took on were not just tasks, but lessons in perseverance and creativity. These early experiences, though unconventional, instilled in him a sense of independence and a willingness to forge his own path. Whether it was exploring the dense woods or building makeshift contraptions, Van learned to rely on his ingenuity. At 17, Van made the bold decision to move to New York City. The transition from the quiet countryside to the bustling metropolis was a significant leap, but Van was undeterred. Armed with ambition and a tireless work ethic, he took on various odd jobs, always seeking opportunities to learn and grow. He washed dishes, bussed tables, and took on any task that came his way, no matter how menial it seemed. Van even worked as a bike messenger, navigating the city streets with the same energy and enthusiasm that would later define his creative work. The fast-paced environment of New York City was a stark contrast to his rural upbringing, but it was a challenge he embraced wholeheartedly. This period of hustle and exploration laid the foundation for his future success, teaching him the value of hard work, perseverance, and embracing the unknown. Each job, each challenge was a stepping stone, building the resilience and determination that would propel him forward in his journey. Reflecting on these early days, Van often speaks of the invaluable lessons learned and the profound impact they had on his life. The hustle, the grind, and the relentless pursuit of his dreams were all part of a larger narrative that was just beginning to unfold. Van's creative journey took a pivotal turn when he discovered his passion for filmmaking. From a young age, Van was always fascinated by the power of visual storytelling. He would spend hours watching movies, analyzing scenes, and dreaming of one day creating his own films. He began creating short films, sharing them online, and quickly gaining recognition for his unique style and captivating storytelling. His early works were a blend of raw emotion and innovative techniques which set him apart from his peers. His work, often raw and unfiltered, resonated with audiences hungry for authenticity and a fresh perspective. Van's films captured the essence of real-life struggles and triumphs, making them relatable to a wide range of viewers. His breakthrough came with the viral success of his 2003 film, iPod's Dirty Secret, a critique of Apple's battery replacement policy. This film not only highlighted a significant consumer issue, but also showcased Van's fearless approach to filmmaking. The film, bold and provocative, catapulted Van into the spotlight and established him as a voice willing to challenge the status quo. His ability to address controversial topics with such clarity and conviction earned him a dedicated following. He went on to create more impactful work, collaborating with brands, directing music videos, and further solidifying his place as a visionary filmmaker. Van's journey is a testament to the power of passion, perseverance, and the relentless pursuit of one's dreams. His story continues to inspire aspiring filmmakers around the world. Like, share, and subscribe for more interesting stories like this.